We are testing out my new wind killer microphone today. Hopefully I'm happy with it. Let's see. Gotta be better than nothing. Fresh oil change, fresh air filter change. Excited. It's been sunny, it's windy as shit, so I really hope this helps. This new Yamaha rally seat is definitely more like a motorcycle, motocross seat as far as how straight it is and the feel. Definitely sit higher, but it is a little more comfortable. And the last thing I wanted to do is lower my pegs because I'll just hit shit. Supposed to be at 80 at like 3:30 or something. So I wanted to go ride before it got too hot. I like this Bango mount, but I'm not 100% sold on it. I have one of the mounts that velcros around my mask and stuff, but then I can't get a clean close on my visor. So this is the route I went. I wanted to do this, I got that, I don't know. Got my cup holder, my hat in case I take my helmet off, not to scare people. I have long legs and I can barely touch the ground with this new seat, so I see why Grant didn't like it. And the last thing you want to do is crank down your preload a shitload. Okay, let's put some pep in your step here. What is up with all the Jeep Wranglers and putting rubber duckies and shit all over their dash? It's gotta be some sort of a don't need to get in trouble. Really want to send my ECU to Two Wheel Dyno Works in Kirkland and strip all the stupid smog stuff off this motor. Maybe I'll do that next week. It's like everyone forgot, you know. I remember in driver's ed, you learn, like, you get to the stop sign at the same time as someone on your right. The person on your right goes first, right? I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's how it's supposed to be. This much of special people. Okay, Carver. Gotta go check out my boat at the public dock. Forgot to go down and pay for it last night, so hopefully there isn't a $100 ticket on the window. I understand why they have to charge people, otherwise you'd have people leaving derelict boats there for multiple days at a time. And it's already too small of a dock to begin with. So. Chiropractor and my doctor like, you need to work on your posture. Straighten your back. Yes, sir. Well, the boat's still floating, but I couldn't see if there's a ticket, so I'll go get a coffee and then I'll go check on the boat. There's Beanie. I know her. I'm small. Walking out to stuff. Who made it? Now listen. Oh. Coffee, coffee, coffee time. What's up?
Hi.
No kids or dog today, so just me. I know.
How are you gonna drive with it though?
Guess what?
Stop.
I got like a little cup holder
Oh my god.
that I mount. I'm solid.
That's crazy. Most people when they come through, they just like drink it really fast and then.
Yeah, I'm not gonna chug a 20 ouncer. I'm gonna be sitting on their restroom over there.
Oh sure.
You know what I mean?
We'll lock the door so you can't get through. Yes. And then, I already rang her out. Oh, perfect. Alright. Communication was on 0.
I just got this new mic for my camera, so I'm testing it out. I'm a YouTuber now. Okay.
You're a YouTuber now?
Yeah, Three Sons Madness is my YouTube handle.
Oh my goodness.
So it's like just shenanigans with me and the boys,
Yeah.
and then also me on the bike. I'm not sure it's a TikTok, and I have a TikTok, but I freaking hate TikTok.
I know, but you'll definitely get more views.
It's so much easier to blow up on TikTok
Yeah.
than YouTube. YouTube's like actually hard to blow up.
Yeah.
So my two buddies.
There you go.
Thank you.
Good one.
Enjoy the sun.
You too.
Okay, I'm getting hot. This sucks. Gonna be time to shed the vest here in a few minutes. 2100. Snap. And I've already done 3 oil changes because it's cheap insurance. Much rather change the oil every 500 or so miles than stupid manufacturer says every 10,000. I'm like, you're crazy. I would never do that. Boop. Oh, such a rebel and a rule breaker. Gotta go check on the boat. Let's go pay for the boat. Gig Harbor Public Dock. Scratched it. So we're good. No tickets. No new scratch. Well, she's still floating. Gonna need a wash though. Used to have my big boat over in that marina. They kicked me out to put those things in. That's a nice rib. 40 horse on it. Well, got my coffee, made some new friends. Gonna possibly go for a ride on a Ranger tug later. Drink my coffee. Gotta remember how to start my music again from my headset. Right. Yeah, there's music. Sweet. Let's not accidentally turn the heated grips on again in 80-degree weather. I've done that like 3 times now. Terrible. I love all my offensive shirts and stickers. People just, they're either thumbs up or they're like, I'm catchy. Your sticker offends me. Let's go, Brandon. I love how Onyx will tell you the owner of every property. Kind of creepy. That's such a cool house. We need to stick a house right Crescent Valley, get some whiskeys. Hopefully not be stuck behind slow ass people. Don't text and drive, people. We'll go this way. We'll just see if he goes right up here. Fix this, because this is flat. God, I don't want that property. The goal today is to not get a bee in the helmet, because I want my visor up so bad, because it smells good, feels good. Alright, good. Let's go, as my kids would say. No fun. I get so nervous about doing wheelies and dumb shit when there's like possibly a Karen, you know. Home safe.